Wiring of dimming module. The following shows how to wire and install the 4CH3A leading edge dimming actuator. First, install the dimming module on the DIN rail. Next, let's look at the structure. On the left are strong electric interfaces, which connect the live, neutral, and earth wire. In the middle is the wiring of the channel, which connects the neutral and live wires of 4 channel dimming lamps. On the front are 4 buttons, which control the on-off of each channel. On the lower right corner is the bus interface, which is for power supply and communication between bus devices. Next, let's complete the wiring. First, connect the input of the live and neutral wire, and connect the earth wire too, if there is one. Make sure they are fastened. Then connect the bus interfaces. The final part is demonstrate how to connect the lamps on each channel. Get a dimming lamp. Typically, there is a dimming driver. Connect the driver's live and neutral wires to the module. The installation and wiring of a dimming module are now complete.